Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Back with it, another video. Today's video is all about the maps. The listening module is a fairly easy module, but a lot of people struggle in listening because of this one module called maps, because the audio just goes fast and people lack the approach. And when you lack the approach, what exactly is going to happen? Completely missing it. If you just listen to the audio and try to do something on your own, psychologically we try to go with our intuition, but what if I tell you there is a way out? There is a way. If you just go in that path, you will get into the right direction, right destination. Let's say you are running in this direction, but the destination is here. Will you ever reach your destination? So approach is all that matters in maps. So we will understand today how to understand the approach for the maps as far as listening questions are concerned. So before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and any point of time you need online assistance, you can text us in the WhatsApp. We'll be there. I'll be there to guide you in a right direction and get you the desired score at the earliest. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Let me just share my screen. So maps, yes, difficult yet easy. A lot of people struggle here, so let's quickly get into it. So whenever you are given a map and audio plays, first thing is use your finger or the mouse on the screen or on the paper. You need to get your direction right. So whenever you listen to the audio, get into the paper or the screen directly, and as you listen to the audio, glide along with it. That's the first suggestion, and be quick in processing things. A lot of people have problem here because listening skills are poor, reading skills are poor. Because of that, they listen, they don't understand. Understanding only will take time, and then they try to process. So obviously it takes more time, right? So this is the first step. Use your finger on the screen, or you can use your mouse to glide along the audio in the direction. Second thing is directions. They're going to tell you on the north side of it, on the south side of it. So you should know what is south, what is north. When this is southeast, southeast is here. So look at the picture here. This is the most important thing, knowing the directions. When they say south of it, it's obviously in the bottom. When they say north of it, it's obviously at the top. When they say northeast, somewhere here. When they say east, somewhere here. When they say southeast, somewhere here. When they say southwest is somewhere here. When they say just west or northwest, all these directions are really, really important. So make sure you just take a picture of it and learn them, and be quick in processing. They say southeast of it, and you start thinking, what is south? This is south, this is east, southeast. No, Baba, no boss. When they say southeast, you should immediately look into this direction. To that level, you should be prepared. Hope you are getting it. So this is very, very important, and there are some connectors that that are often used in your maps. For example, across is, see, my across is this. If I stand this way, my across is this. Across is just the opposite direction. Diagonal to is this. This is straight, this is diagonal. Diagonal to this, there is a shop, perhaps they may say. So you should know it is this. Like I told you, you should just point your finger or the mouse along. Opposite is this. Opposite across almost mean the same. And then in front of is right in front of you, not besides. On the left, on the right, at the top, on the top, at the bottom. On the same side is, let's say you have a town and you're standing here, you are facing this way. The town is on the same side as you're facing. The town is on the opposite side you're facing. So that's on the same side. On the other side is the other side. You're standing here, the shop is on the other side of the road, means over here. On the same side is besides, adjacent. And then besides is also the same, means on the same side. And then if we have via or via, via is what we say, via is through. You can reach this town via this road, via this place. So that means somewhere like this. It just shows you the path. Via is the path. The road ends there. Probably you have a road and just ends there. So these are the unique features. See, I totally understand. Nakul, I know all these things, but when it comes to processing it faster, that's where I go wrong. I understand this, but it requires some time. Keep these things in the mind and start practicing with the intention of processing that a bit faster. When they say southeast, your mind should immediately go there. So every day you can practice this, all these things you can ask your friend to say. When they say in front of you, you're going to say this. On the same side, you're going to say this. Across, you're going to say this. Northeast, you're going to say this. sorry, northeast, southeast, east, west, northwest. So this way, when your friend asks you and you keep doing this, keep account of the mistakes you're doing, do it a bit faster, things will fall in place, man. Okay. The straight road, a winding road will be like this or like this, curvy road. Correct. These are the some of the words that you need to be attentive about, so that when you listen to them, it becomes easy for you to track them. Most importantly, this is the thing, notice some characteristics in the diagram if possible. Hey, in the beginning you get some 30-35 seconds, man, isn't it so? So use that time to notice the characteristics, identify which is what, and some unique characteristics. When they speak that word, your eyes should immediately go to that particular thing. So it differs from diagram to diagram, of course. So in the next slide we will see some unique characteristics. In the beginning, some 30-35 seconds or 40 seconds will be given, right? Use that time to just see. Church Street is this, okay? Church Street probably is going uphill. Johnson Street is this, Hudson Road is this. There is a police station, that could be unique feature there. Probably when they talk about E, D, F, perhaps they are going to talk about police station. The unique feature is this going to be north, this has some direction northwest, correct? So this is northeast. So perhaps these are the unique features of the diagram which you need to be attentive about before the audio actually begins. Some 30-35 seconds, you have some time to listen to the audio, correct? Use that time to understand these things and be ready. And when the audio starts, just use your mouse or your finger to identify which is massage parlor, which is supermarket, school, bank, hotel and restaurant. Alright, so what do we do now is, I'm going to play the audio. I want you guys to do it. You don't get this question in the internet, by the way, we have made this. So I want you guys to do it. Probably you can just try doing it, use your finger, use a book, pen, everything, and once done I'm going to come back and show you how you can actually do this, what is the approach. Alright, so let's start with it.
Alright, this wondrous place is the Lavelle town. If you stand in that long straight road facing north, you can't miss noticing that salon, which is very popular in the street. However, people who go to salon also make sure to relax themselves after the heavy work in the nearby massage parlor, which is just across the salon. If you just look along besides this, on the same lane, you will find a big supermarket, which is close to the junction of Hudson Road and Johnson Street, and this is the only place in this town to get all the necessary things for your home. Let's also check out one of the top schools in the town. The directions are not very straightforward. The Johnson Street is a one-way access, only which possibly prohibits you to reach the school with a shortcut. So the best option would be to walk south of the Johnson Street and take the Hudson Street. Well, there you see the police department of our town. Overlooking this, on the northeast direction, the school just stays along on the opposite of the road which connects Johnson Street. Well, there is a bank too in our town, not so far from the school, just the north of police station. Take the road that glides you in the northwest direction, and on your right, you will get a glimpse of one of the biggest banks in town. Right in front of it, you will find this beautiful hotel, and the prince of the town owns this beautiful place. You can also find a restaurant nearby. Well, you just have to cook a good restaurant to fill your stomach with.
Alright, I hope you have gotten the correct answer. Simple one, so let me just help you with what kind of mistakes people do, where we go wrong, and why we end up getting always low score in maps, and how we can actually get the full scores here. Let's listen to the audio again.
Alright, this wondrous place is the Lavelle town. If you stand in that long straight road facing north,
facing north. So what is that facing north mean? This side you're looking. So this processing should come quickly. Hope you're getting it. So we'll continue.
Can't miss noticing that salon, which is very popular in the street. However,
salon, we have already seen this salon. This is the only thing that they have given. Alright, now they've talked about salon. Probably they're talking about this or this or this. Correct? So that's a landmark. Alright, we'll continue.
People who go to salon also make sure to relax themselves after the heavy work in the nearby massage parlor.
Nearby is the word. Pay more attention. So this has to be the massage parlor, which is very nearby. Hope you're getting it. A is done. It's as simple as that. We'll continue.
Which is just across the salon. If you just
across the salon. Alright.
look along, besides this, on the same lane, you will find a big supermarket, which is close to the junction of Hudson Road and Johnson Street.
Close to the junction of the Hudson Road and the Johnson Street, closer. So B has to be the supermarket. I should go to the Johnson Street and Hudson Road junction of them. Oh, this is the point nearby B. You should be that quick. It's all about processing. In the end, I'll tell you what you need to be doing, which app actually helps you improve your processing speed. Alright, so this is A, this is B. Luckily, it is in the order. Usually, it will not be in the order, by the way. Alright, continue.
And this is the only place in this town to get all the necessary things for your home. Let's also check out one of the top schools in the town. The directions are not very straightforward. The Johnson Street is a one-way access, only which possibly prohibits you to reach the school with a shortcut. So the best option would be to walk south of...
So the walk south of somewhere Johnson Street is not the possible way. Perhaps it is this they're talking about. This side, we will come there.
Johnson Street and take the Hudson Street.
Hudson Road. We came to Hudson Road now.
Well, there you see the police
station. This is what I want. Now all our eyes should come here. Now it is north, northeast, northwest. Only 3 possibilities.
Department of our town. Overlooking this on the northeast direction, the school just
northeast. So this is this Church Street Road and possibly it is this. We'll just listen.
Stays along on the opposite of the road which connects Johnson Street.
Opposite of the road which connects Johnson Street.
Well, there is a bank.
Okay, the school is done. Now they're talking about bank.
2 in our town. Not so far from the school. Just the north of police station.
Just the north of police station. Alright, we cannot come to the conclusion that it is E at the moment. North of police station, now they can say some diversion.
Take the road that glides you in the northwest direction.
Northwest direction. So this is the direction they're talking about. Now we have F and D.
And on your right.
When you take this direction, on your right is this. You're not coming from there. If you come from there, on your right is this. But from the police station, you went and you took a northwest. On your right is D. Hope you're getting it. Right in front of it. So D, like I told you, right in front is this. So right in front of it. Hope you're getting it.
And the prince of the town owns this beautiful place. You can also find a restaurant.
So that was the hotel they told, and now the restaurant has to be E, but sometimes B can also be the restaurant. Alright, sorry, B is given. Sometimes what happens is probably they have given H here. They write one more H, they write one more G. At those times you need to patiently wait. But now everything else is done. What is left? E is only left. Correct? So we can easily make out that E is the correct answer for restaurant. But let's listen.
Nearby. Well, you just have to come down from the hotel and take the road that is exactly right above the police station.
Right above, that means north side. Right above is this. Easy peasy. So this has to be that road.
You will find a very good restaurant to fit.
Restaurant. Is it really difficult? Because our processing is a bit slower. Correct? When we play the audio, when they say Johnson Road, we'll be searching, where is this Johnson Road? I should quickly go, man. You need to be that quick. It is checking your alertness. This is not English. A part of it is English. Besides, on the same side, northeast, northwest, this is English. But apart from that, they're checking how fast can you process. This is your smartness. This is your skill. For this, there's an app called Dual and Back. DUAL -N -back. It's a very famous app, scientifically proven that if you play this app, if you use this app, your processing speed will be much faster. It's all about listening skill, reading skill, listening skill, reading skill. In the app, 2 skills are being tested at the same time. So download it. It's in Android as well as iPhone. Start with it and thank me later. Alright, I do hope this video made sense. If you want more informative video, something like this, do leave a comment in the comment section. And anytime you need online assistance, you can text us in the WhatsApp. We will be there. I'll be there to guide you in the right direction. And if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. With this, I'm going to park it here very soon. I'll be back. Nakul will be back from Skills IELTS. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.